In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go back to the home page in Notion step by step. This is a super simple action, but if you're new to Notion or working deep inside nested pages, it can sometimes feel confusing to get back to your main dashboard or home page. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to return to your Notion home quickly and confidently. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have Notion open, either in your browser or in the desktop app. You can be inside any page for this to work. It could be a document, a database, a project page, or even a deeply nested subpage. No matter where you are, the process is exactly the same. Now, look to the left side of your screen. This is the Notion sidebar, and it's one of the most important navigation areas in the entire app. The sidebar contains your Workspace name at the top, followed by quick access sections like Search, Updates, Settings, and most importantly, Home. To go back to the home page, simply move your cursor to the left sidebar and click on Home. That's it. The moment you click Home, Notion will take you straight back to your main home dashboard. This is the default landing area where Notion shows you recent pages, suggested templates, and quick actions, depending on how your workspace is set up. If you're ever feeling lost inside Notion, remember that the Home button is always your fastest way back to a familiar starting point. You don't need to close tabs, refresh the app, or search for your main page manually. Just one click on Home brings everything back into focus. Now, here are a few extra tips that can make navigation Notion even easier. If your sidebar is hidden, which sometimes happens on smaller screens, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the app. Click that icon, and the sidebar will slide open, revealing the Home button again. Another helpful thing to know is that you can customize what your home experience looks like. While Notion's default homepage shows recent activity, many users prefer creating a dedicated homepage. You can do this by creating a new page, setting it up as your personal dashboard, and then pinning or favoriting it so it's always easy to access from the sidebar. If you're working across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one. The Home button takes you to the home of the current workspace you're in. You can switch workspaces by clicking the workspace name at the top of the sidebar and selecting a different one from the list. Knowing how to quickly return to home might seem basic, but it saves a lot of time when you're managing notes, tasks, databases, or collaborative projects in Notion. It keeps your workflow smooth and helps you stay organized with unnecessary clicks. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to go back to the home page in Notion using the left side menu. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.